Croissants are one of the most famous pastries in the world. Known for their golden color, crispy outside, and soft buttery layers inside, croissants are a symbol of French baking. But creating this delicate pastry is not as simple as it looks. It requires precise ingredients, careful timing, and a unique process that builds hundreds of thin layers of dough and butter. In modern bakeries and factories, advanced machines help bakers produce thousands of perfectly shaped croissants every day. Let's go step by step to see how croissants are made, from simple ingredients to the delicious pastry we enjoy. Step 1. Mixing the dough. The process begins with preparing the croissant dough. Large industrial mixers combine flour, water, milk, sugar, salt, yeast, and sometimes a small amount of butter. Each ingredient plays an important role. Flour provides structure, yeast helps the dough rise, sugar adds a hint of sweetness, and salt enhances flavor. The mixture is kneaded until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Proper kneading develops gluten, which gives the dough strength and flexibility. Once mixed, the dough is left to rest so the yeast can begin activating and the dough becomes easier to handle. Step 2. Preparing the butter sheet. Butter is the heart of a croissant. High-quality butter is shaped into flat sheets using special rollers. The butter must be cold but flexible. If it is too soft, it will blend into the dough. If it is too hard, it can break through the layers. Maintaining the perfect temperature ensures the butter will form clean layers during the next stage of the process. Step 3. Laminating the dough. Now comes the most important technique in croissant making, lamination. The rested dough is rolled out into a large sheet. A flat slab of butter is placed in the center and the dough is folded over it, sealing the butter inside. The dough is then rolled out and folded multiple times. Each fold multiplies the number of layers of dough and butter. After several folds, the dough can contain dozens of ultra-thin layers. These layers are what create the light, flaky texture that croissants are famous for. Step 4. Rolling the dough sheet. Once the lamination process is complete, the dough is rolled out again into a long, wide sheet. Industrial rollers ensure the thickness is even across the entire surface. Maintaining uniform thickness is important so that every croissant bakes evenly. Step 5. Cutting the triangles. Special cutting machines then slice the large dough sheet into precise triangular shapes. These triangles are the starting shape of every croissant. The size and angle of each triangle are carefully controlled to make sure the final croissants are consistent in size and appearance. Step 6. Shaping the croissant. Each triangle of dough is gently stretched to lengthen it slightly. The dough is then rolled from the wide base toward the pointed tip. As the dough rolls, the layers stack together and form the classic croissant shape. The ends are slightly curved to create the iconic crescent appearance. Just before baking, the croissants are brushed with an egg wash. This mixture of egg and water gives the croissants their beautiful golden shine. The trays are then placed into large ovens. During baking, the butter inside the layers melts and releases steam. This steam pushes the layers apart, creating the delicate, flaky structure. At the same time, the outer surface turns crisp and golden brown. In large bakeries, the croissants are then carefully packaged and prepared for distribution to stores, cafes, and supermarkets. And that's how croissants are made. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Built Bazaar for more How It's Made videos.